Let's take a look at Shopify point of sale compared to Lightspeed point of sale. We will start off by talking about email carts. On Shopify POS, you can start a customer cart in store and email it to them to complete their purchase online. Perfect for indecisive customers or big-ticket purchases. This feature isn't offered on Lightspeed. Next, did you know Shopify POS has unlimited registers? In addition to your monthly subscription cost, Lightspeed charges an extra fee per register you have in your store. On Shopify, you can have unlimited registers at each location by downloading the Shopify POS app onto as many devices as you need. Now, Shopify is a truly customizable POS app. With Shopify POS, you can speed up checkout by keeping best sellers, frequently used discounts, and common tasks at your fingertips with an editable interface. Lightspeed cannot be customized, forcing you to adapt to their workflows. Now let's discuss inventory locations. Click the link below to speak to a Shopify expert about getting Shopify at POS. Shopify offers locations where you can assign inventory. Use them for retail stores, warehouses, or pop-ups. Lightspeed's plans only include one retail location, so managing inventory at locations beyond your store requires an upgrade. Did you know Shopify point of sale has unlimited SKUs? Add an unlimited number of products to your POS and website on Shopify. Lightspeed sets limits on the number of products you can have in store and online, with variance counting towards your limit. I think we should discuss online marketplaces. You can reach new audiences and make more sales with Shopify's tools to sell on marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, and more. Lightspeed can't tap into these platforms, leaving you to manage multiple logins, online orders, and inventory. Next, we have local delivery. From route planning to delivery updates, Shopify gives you the tools to deliver online purchases to nearby customers yourself. On Lightspeed, you have to use a third-party add-on to offer this convenient option for customers. Altogether, if you are looking for a well-rounded point-of-sale system, Shopify POS is a great choice. Click the link below to speak now with a Shopify expert.